Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Math, grade 7. We are in model 7, the first lesson, solve one-step addition and subtraction inequalities. Today we have extra practice. The question now, solve each inequality, then graph the solution. Set on a number line. So as you see here, the first question here, you have x plus 2 less than 9. We have this inequality. To solve this inequality, try to keep the variable alone. So try to remove 2. So subtract 2 from the two sides, minus 2 here and minus 2 here. Two and minus 2 will be 0. Remains here x less than 9 minus 2 will be 7. So the solution now, x less than 7. X less than 7. We have now the number line represent 7 here. Now look to the sign. If the sign doesn't have equal, if the sign doesn't has equal, means draw unshaded circle. Draw unshaded circle. Then x less than 7 means the values before 7. The values before 7 means go to the negative side. Here negative side, here positive side. So the arrow here, the direction to the negative side. So this is the area of the solution. This is the area of the solution. So the area of the solution starts from 7, but 7 not include because we don't have equal here. So start from 6. 6 solution, 5 solution, 2 solution, 1 solution, 0 solution, minus 1, minus 2, minus 10 to the minus infinity. The second question now we have x plus 4 greater than minus 5. X plus 4 greater than minus 5. So keep the variable alone. So remove 4 from this side. To remove 4, we can subtract minus 4 from this side and minus 4 from this side. 4 and minus 4 will be 0. So here we have x greater than minus 5 and minus 4 will be minus 9. So this is the solution here, x greater than minus 9. Now to graph this inequality, represent minus 9. This is minus 9 here. Look to the sign. The sign doesn't has equal. So draw unshaded circle. Then here x greater than. Greater than means take the value up minus 9. Means the arrow here, the direction to the positive side, to the infinity. So this is the area of the solution. Start from minus 9, but minus 9 not include in this solution, to the positive infinity. Here we have 13 greater than x plus 3. Try to remove 3 here to keep the variable alone. So subtract 3 from the two sides. (13) minus 3 will be 10. Greater than x. Here 3 minus 3 will be 0. So the solution here, x less than 10. X less than, represent 10, this is 10. The sign doesn't have equal. So draw unshaded circle. x less than means the value less than 10. So the arrow here to the minus infinity. This is the area of the solution. Exercise number 4. Here, as you see, we have 6 less than x plus 1. 6 less than x plus 1. So try to remove plus 1 here. So subtract 1 from the two sides. Six minus 1 will be 5, less than x. Represent 5. This is 5. We don't have equal in the sign, so unshaded circle. Then x greater than 5. X greater than 5 means the arrow here to the positive side, to the infinity. This is the area of the solution. Now here, try to remove 8. So subtract 8 from the two sides. Minus 8 here and minus 8 here. 16.2 minus 8 will be 8.2. Greater than or equal. Here 8 minus 8, 0 remains x. So represent 8.2. This is 8. Yani nearestly 8.2 will be here. Here we have equal in the sign. So draw shaded circle here. Then x less than or equal 8.2. Less than means go to the negative side. So the arrow to the negative side, to the minus infinity. This is the area of the solution. Exercise number 6. Try to remove 5.75. So minus 5.75 from this side. And here minus 5.75. Remains here x. 5.75 minus 5.75 here will be 0. Less than or equal. We have now minus 7 and minus 5 will minus 12.75. So represent 12.75 minus 12.75. This is minus 12. Minus 12.75 yani nearestly here. Then here we have equal in the sign, means a draw shaded circle. Then x less than, so the direction to the negative side. Exercise number 7. We have x plus 11 greater than or equal 20. Who who can tell me what I do here to solve this inequality?
Sir, I will help you solve.
Okay, where are you, student? Ahmad? Ahmad? Ahmad Saeed?
Yes, Mister, I'm here.
حمدان عامري؟
موجود مستر.
حمدان علي؟
موجود مستر.
زايد؟ سالم هداف؟ عبد الله مانع؟
موجود مستر.
علي حمد؟ عيسى؟ فلاح؟
موجود.
منصور أحمد؟ منصور أحمد؟ منصور البيك؟ منصور نايف؟ ميلاد؟
نعم مستر موجود.
هزاع؟
موجود مستر.
خلفان؟ خلفان؟
موجود.
خليفة؟ خليفة؟ دويس؟ دويس؟ سالم جمعة؟ سالم جمعة؟ سلطان؟ سلطان الظاهري؟ سيف سالم؟ عبد الله الجابري؟
موجود مستر.
عبد الله التميمي؟
موجود مستر.
فارس؟ محمد سالم سعيد الراشدي؟ محمد عبد العزيز؟ محمد عمار؟
نعم أستاذ موجود.
محمد عمر؟
موجود.
منصور علي؟
أستاذ أنا موجود. محمد سالم طلعني.
محمد سالم موجود؟
موجود.
منصور المهيري؟ منصور محمد؟
موجود أستاذ.
موسى؟
موجود أستاذ. موجود. أستاذ ما تسمعني أقول حاضر مجمعة.
سالم جمعة؟
هي أقول حاضر ما حد تسمعني. يمكن عندي مشكلة أنا.
طيب هلا لحد الآن حطينا حضور. هلا إذا بيجي حد بيقول لي أنا حاضر ما عاد في حضور خلاص، الباقي غياب. ما قال أنا موجود يعني غياب. تمام؟ طيب who can help me here?
Mister.
Yes عبد الله.
So Mister, when we see the sign we see that 11 is bigger or equal. So I say it's from 8 and above. You open shadow and 8 and above.
Yes, tell me the first, what is the solve of this inequality? How to solve this inequality?
First of all, Mr. We need to keep the x alone. So you will
Yes.
minus 11 by minus 11, the opposite. So it will be 0. It will be 0. So it will be x, and 20 minus 11, it's 9.
9. Yes,
9.
so x greater than
Greater than
9.
9.
Greater
So
than
we
or equal.
need 9 and bigger. So we can solve because it's a greater than 9.
Shaded
So
circle or unshaded circle?
unshaded circle.
But here we have equal in the
Oh,
sign.
shaded, Mr.
Yes.
Equal.
Shaded circle, great, Abdullah.
And then, Mr. From 9
And the
to the positive direction. Yes,
Great.
and to the infinity.
Great, thank you, Abdullah.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. I will add you to marks. Great work. Okay, who can help me exercise number 8?
أنا أستاذ.
What's your name?
Me, Mr. Hamad.
Okay, Hamad. Tell me what is the solution here?
Okay, Mr. First, we need to put the 10 and we need to change it to negative 10. And we put also negative 10 there.
Mhm.
And plus we will minus 3.5 minus it by 10.
Great, continue.
Mr. Just a second, please.
So plus 10 and minus 10 will be 0.
0.
Then minus 10 and 3 plus 3.5 will be minus 7.5.
Minus
So the solution now x
is
is
minus
minus 7.5.
5.
Then represent 7.5 minus 7.5 nearestly here. Like I will use shaded circle or unshaded circle,
Shaded circle.
but I don't have equal here.
Unshaded
So
circle.
unshaded, because I don't have equal.
Equal.
Now the direction to the positive side or to the negative side. Here x less than to the positive side or negative side.
Negative side.
Great work. Thank you, Hamad. I will add to you 2 marks. Yes,
Okay, Mr.
Mr. Mimilad. Mr.
Yes, yes.
Here, Mr. Negative 3.5 minus negative 10.
Yes, will be.
Mr. It will be negative 6.5.
Great work. No one remember me to this wrong. Great work, Milad. I will add to you 2 marks. So, just here represent 6.5 and here open circle, then the direction to the negative side. Thank you, Milad. Okay, who can solve exercise number 9?
Mr.
Falah, where are you, Falah?
I'm here, Mr.
Okay, help me please here.
Okay.
What I do here?
Mr. But 1 minute.
Yes.
Mr. Can I solve it?
Falah.
Mr. I'm solving.
Yes. I wait you. and 10 for Milad.
Okay, Mister.
Mister, the answer is X and smaller than -9.
But the first step, try to remove 5.1. So minus 5.1 here and minus 5.1 here. Now 5.1 and minus 5.1 will be 0. So on this side remains x, and the sign here x less than. And here we have minus 3.9 and minus 5.1. They have the same sign, so put the same sign, minus, then add. 9 plus 1 will be 10. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So 9.0. No value for this 0 here, so you can remove it. So remains here 9.
9.
So x less than minus 9. X less than minus 9. Represent minus 9. This is minus 9. Now the question, is it the circle shaded here or unshaded circle?
Unshaded, Mister, because there is no equal.
Because I don't have equal. So unshaded circle. So then the arrow here, the direction to the negative side or to the positive side?
To the negative.
Great, because here x less than means the direction to the negative side. The direction to the negative side, to the minus infinity. To the minus infinity. Thank you, Falah. I will add to you 2 marks. Okay, Milad, what I do here in number 10?
Mister, first we minus 3.4 to the h number.
Great.
Mister, so x equals 4.
So remains in this side, remains x.
Yes, and in the other side 4.
Great. Now we have x greater than or equal 4. Represent 4. Now
4 and
we use now
shaded circle.
Shaded circle. Great. So the direction now to the positive side or the negative side?
Mister, to the 12th side.
Yes, to the positive side, to the infinity.
Yes.
Great, Milad. Thank you. I will add to you 2 marks. Great work. Okay, Hamdan Al-Amri. Hamdan Al-Amri.
Mr. Can I
Where
help
are
you?
you, Hamdan Al-Amri?
Mr. Hamdan Al-Amri didn't
بدي
answer. Can
حمدان.
I? Okay.
وينه حمدان؟ بدي حمدان. حمدان العامري. حمدان العامري. شايفين كيف؟ يعني دخل على البرنامج بس هو ما له موجود. يعني فاتح الكمبيوتر عنده في البيت وهو بجوز نايم، بجوز عم يلعب، الله اعلم شو عم يساوي. حمدان العامري. طيب راح احطه غياب انا عشان نتعلم انه نحن القصه مشان ننتبه مو مشان نلعب. هي حمدان سالم العامري absent. طيب الإجراء الثاني يتم إخراجه من القصة عشان يعرف إنه نحن عرفنا إنه هو ما له منتبه.
مستر أنا بروح بي أوكي.
وين رايح يا حمد؟
مستر بروح حمام.
طيب خلفان. خلفان
موجود.
مستر أنا هزاع.
خلفان ساعدني في الحل. اوكي خلفان ساعدني في حل الايكواليتي هي. عندي هون x plus 6 and 3 over greater than or equal 8. شو لازم نساوي هون حتى نحل هالايكواليتي هون؟
الإجابة إكس 5 4.
تمام. هلا قبل الاجابه بس مشان رفقاتك يفهموا شو اشتغلنا. اول خطوه لازم اتخلص من مين؟ من العدد اللي مع الفاريبل مشان اخلي الفاريبل لوحده نفس السايد. معناته اول شيء رح نعمل هون ماينس 6 and 3 over 4 من هذا السايد، ونفس الشيء من هذا السايد. هلا 6 و 3 and 4 minus 6 and 3 and 4 شو بيعطيني؟ 0. يضل عندي هون شو x greater than or equal. هلا انا عندي هون هو النمبر وعندي هون ميكس نمبر، فالميكس نمبر انا راح احوله مبدئيا لفراكشن. كيف حول ميكس نمبر لفراكشن؟ ناخذ ال 6 نضربها بال 4، 6 times 4 24، 24 بلس 3 27 over 4. هلا ال 8 الدينوميناتور فيها 1 بفور مشان يصير عندي common، يصير عندي common denominator. طيب ال 8 times 4 راح تعطيني 32. 8 times 1 و 4 times 1 4. الطرف المقابل عندي هون 27 over 4. طيب هلا 32 minus 27 رح يعطيني 5، معناته هون x greater than or equal 5 over 4. هلا ال 5 over 4 بحولها من fraction بحولها لشو؟ لميكس نمبر. استخدم اللونج ديفيجن. هي ال 5 هي ال 4. 5 divide by 4 فيها ب 1. 1 times 4 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. معناتها ال x عندي greater than or equal 1 over 4. تمام؟ طيب الحين بنعمل شو represent لل 1 1 over 4. هلا هي ال 1 تقريبا يعني 1 وربع. هي ال 1 1 over 4 تقريبا. طيب يا خلفان، الدائرة مغلقة ولا مفتوحة لازم تكون؟
مفتوحة.
بس في عندي هون ايكوال، إذا في عندي ايكوال بالساين شو بنحطها؟ مغلقة ولا مفتوحة؟ شادد ولا انشادد؟ مغلقة. إذا طالما بس يكون عندي ايكوال في الساين معناتها بنحطها شادد مغلقة. طيب الدايركشن يا خلفان to the positive side ولا to the negative side؟ أميل لي x greater than to the positive ولا to the negative؟
نيجاتيف.
أميل لي greater أكبر من، القيم هي أكبر من 1 وربع. مين القيم اللي أكبر من 1 وربع؟ 2 ل 3 ل 4 ل 5 ل 6. معناتها رايح باتجاه مين أنا؟ البوزيتيف ولا النيجاتيف؟
بوزيتيف.
البوزيتيف. إذا الارrow here to the positive side to the infinity. Thank you خلفان. Great work. I will add to you 2 marks. طيب منصور العتيبي. منصور العتيبي، منصور نايف. طيب سيتم إخراجه من الحصة لعدم الانتباه ونحطه غياب. موجود غياب هو أساسا. طيب محمد عمار.
نعم أستاذ.
محمد عمار ساعدنا في الحل. في عنا الاكسرسايز نمبر 12. شو بدي اتصرف هون يا محمد؟ كيف بدي احل هالايكويشن هالانكواليتي عفوا؟ How to solve this inequality?
Mr. It goes to the right by the 9 by the x plus 9.
So try to remove 9. So minus 9 here and minus 9 here. Great. So 9 and minus 9, 0 remains here x. Less than or equal. And here we have minus 9 and minus 5 will be minus 14 and 1 over.
Mr. How minus 9 and 4 equals 14?
You can change the mixed number here to the fraction. 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, 16 over 3.
Okay.
Then add 9. 9 will be 9 over 1. Then you can multiply up and down by 3 to get the common denominators. So here we have 16 over 3 plus 27 over 3. Now 16 plus 27 will be 43 over 3. Then you can here change it to the mixed number. We have here 43 and here we have 3. 4 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 3, 3. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Then drop 3 here. 13 divided by 3 will be 4. 4 times 3 will be 12. 13 minus 12 will be 1. So as you see here, we have the whole number, we have 14. And the remainder here 1. And put here 3. So the answer will be what? 14 and 1 over 3.
Mr. Why did you not put negative 14 and 1 over 3?
Because here we have two signs, sign. So I put sign, then I will add because I have the two same signs. I put or minus, then in the work just I add.
But Mr. in the answer when you write مستر لما كتبت الحل جنب رقم 12 طلع الجواب نيجاتيف 14 and 1 over 3 بس لما حليته تحت الجواب رقم 11 طلع 14.1 14 and 1 over 3 without negative.
يعني حطيت النيجاتيف في الجواب، بس وقت اشتغلت انا شو لازم اشتغل بلس لانه له نفس الاشاره، وقت له نفس الاشاره بعد نضع نفس الاشاره ونعمل شو بلس نجمع. فانا امنت على الاشاره، حطيت الاشاره في الجواب ورحت شو اشتغلت؟ عملت العمليه على اساس انه بلس. تمام ميلاد؟
تمام مستر تمام.
طيب محمد عمار.
نعم أستاذ.
هلا أول شيء شو بنعمل؟ represent minus 14 and 1 over 3. هاي minus 14.
We go to minus 14.
This is minus 14 and 1 over 3. Now the circle shaded or not shaded?
The circle because it's the 14 and 1 over 3, the I think it has to be shaded.
Shaded because we have equal. When you have equal in the sign, means we have shaded circle. Shaded circle. Now the direction to the positive side or to the negative side?
To the negative side.
Great, because here we have x less than. Because here we have x less than. Great work, Muhammad. Thank you. I will add to you 2 marks. So the time over. You can continue. We have here the same ideas. Continue, and I will send to you the answer of the homework. Yes. Do you have any question? في حدا له سؤال؟ كأنه في
لا
حدا
مستر.
سمعت.
لا
تمام واضح.
كله واضح.
مستر عادي لو ركبنا الفراكشن وخليناه على أساس الديسيمال.
طبعا بدنا نحوله لديسيمال، نحوله لمستنبع، خليه على شكل فراكشن، اشتغل بالصيغه اللي بدك اياها، ما في مشكله. Okay, this is our video today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow إن شاء الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.